Let's turn to the fourth case that was problematic for utilitarianism. The case of the involuntary organ transplant. There was a person in his 60s in the hospital, and the doctors, he's sedated right now. They're getting ready to do some test on him, and they discover that he's a perfect organ donor for 5 individuals who were just taken into the hospital. It was an accident right in front of the place. 2 of them need kidneys, 2 of them need lungs, and 1 of them needs a heart transplant. And the people who were in the accident were young people, let's say in their late teens, early 20s. Now the question is, what is the right thing for the doctor to do? And it's pretty clear that the right thing is not to transplant the person's organs and thereby killing him, even though if we set up the case right, that is the thing that will have the highest utility. Now the question is, what would Kant say about this? And presumably he would say that the doctor's action is wrong. Why is it wrong? Well, because the doctor cannot, will that he saves 5 by sacrificing 1. Why can't you consistently will? The idea in this case would be that the willing is contradictory, because here are the 2 things that it looks like he's willing. He's willing, 1, that no one kills the doctor while he transplants, right? Because he's willing that he saves 5 by sacrificing 1. He's got to be there to do that. So, and in doing that, and in willing that his maxim be a universal law, he's willing that everyone sacrifice 1 to save 5 lives, even if his organs are needed in the next room. The idea being, let's say the doctor's organs are needed by some patients in the next room, because sacrificing his organs is going to be more important to keep those people alive than his keeping himself alive. So the idea here, again, we have this inconsistency in willing that the maxim of your action be a universal law.